Alright, we'll open up this package of parts here. A couple of rubbers. Hope that's in focus. And then some washers here. Now, what you got to look at, this one is the, these two on the top. This one with the groove on it, that's the one that goes down here. There's no instructions telling you that, but that's where it goes. Alright. There we go. We got our shock ready to go on. Easier with two people, wouldn't it? We'll get it. We're still good up here. Yeah, looks good. Ratchet wrench for that. Almost impossible to get these things in there without some kind of a rig like this. Just kind of set it up a little bit. That's not too bad. This one goes in on top, and that goes in on top of that. That goes on top of that. That goes on top of that. So we'll get that in a minute. And this is metric, believe it or not. I don't know if I get in there without knocking the camera over. Let's do it this way. And I wish I had a ratcheting wrench. And this is the easy side. Basically, you got to squish it down till the rubber is about the same. A little bit under the diameter of the washers. You got to go pretty far. When you're doing this, you're close to the end and putting this front and back together, which is a good feeling. Yeah, get back in there. Sorry about shaking the camera, but it's kind of hard to film in this area. There's actually a torque specification for this, but it's not right for these shocks. It's too much. Maybe for the old shocks in '82, it worked. Yeah, we're close. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, the rubber's about even with the inside of this lip right here, which I think is about perfect. So, here we go.